Hi, my name is Matt Lowry. I'm a firefighter with East Pierce Fire and Rescue. I've worked here at Fire Station 118 in Edgewood for 16 years now. This fire station was originally built, volunteers are the ones that responded out of it to the community's needs. Today, we're now serving a population here on North Hill of almost 20,000 people, and so the fire crews have had to grow commensurate with the call volume. So through the years, we've had to actually be forced to make changes in order to accommodate the firefighters that work here, to accommodate that growing call volume. Offices that used to be offices are now sleeping space. We have one giant L-shaped room that houses 4 firefighters, but there's front offices, areas that were never intended to be sleeping areas that now oftentimes female firefighters will sleep in there so that they can not be mixed with other male firefighters. Our showering and cleaning facilities are outdated and old. We have one shower for potentially 4 people here. From a safety perspective, this fire station lacks fire sprinklers, which are mandated by law. And also, in terms of storing our gear here in the fire station, it's actually supposed to be separated from the apparatus, separated from the sun, which can degrade the material and essentially shorten the life, which costs the taxpayers more money. This building was never designed to house 24/7 firefighters. We make it happen because that's what the community expects, but at some point it becomes more cost effective to rebuild than it does to keep putting a Band-Aid on broken facilities. Proposition 1, which you'll see on the November ballot, is specifically designed to replace this fire station.